Some things were lifted up in our readings this day. The Lord asked Moses to lift up the serpent as a sign of healing to the Israelites. Jesus believed in himself, or believes this fact, that soon he will be raised up so that humanity may believe that he is the one sent by the Father. At matapos po ang bawat karanasan ng pag-aangat ng mga bagay na ito, ay dumating ang kilos na anuman ang itinaas ay dapat tingalain. The Israelites looked up to that serpent and they were healed. Jesus calls humanity to continuously look up to the cross and look up to Him so that we will all live. At ang bawat pagtingala rin naman ay karanasan din ng paghanga. The Israelites was in awe and wonder that God used that serpent. All of us are still in amazement how in this cross where Jesus was lifted up, the cross gave us life. And eventually, because we looked up to the cross, we were amazed with the cross. We believe that indeed God has been loving us through this moment and all the days of our life. Pagtingala, pagkamangha, at pagtitiwala. Let this be the beautiful flow of our Lenten journey as we also get near to the Holy Week celebrations of our church. A lot of things will be lifted up during this moment. It is not only by preference that things in this sanctuary is lifted up to us, but so that we can also learn how to look up. The stations of the cross are lifted up. Saints and the images of the Passion will be lifted up. And all of us will be looking at it. The Blessed Sacrament will be raised up during Holy Thursday. The cross will be lifted up during Good Friday. The Paschal candle will be lifted up during Easter Vigil. And hopefully those three ingredients may be with us throughout the next days. Pagtingala, pagkamangha, at pagtitiwala. That we not only engross ourselves to beauty, ay ang ganda, ay maliwanag, ay malinis, ay nakaka-attract siya. But let these things lifted up to us, or these things high enough for us to look up, may always deepen our faith. Dahil tiningala ko ito, alam kong ito yung pagpapahiwatig ng pag-ibig ng Diyos sa akin. These things that I look up during these days are but messages of God's mercy and grace for me. We ask the Lord for that grace. Tumingala, mamangha, at magtiwala. Let us not get tired of looking up to God so that we may deepen our sense of wonder and all the more experience deep within our hearts His love and forgiveness brought about by His life-giving passion.